Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kim and I'm glad that you're watching. In today's video, I'll be showing you where Hadzabe seek shelter when the heavens open up. If it's your first time, please consider subscribing. I would also appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. The Hadzabe reside in a modest dome-shaped hut crafted from the local materials. This home, while humble in appearance, are designed to provide shelter and sense of community for this tight-knit tribe. The Hadzabe huts can be constructed without any iron tools. All that is required are pointed sticks to make the first hole in the earth. The hut has three essential components: a primary structure of large branches from locally growing shrubs and trees. Young baobab are preferred, although many species are suitable. These are planted into holes in the ground and brought together at the top where the branches are skillfully woven together. No ties are required. A secondary structure of a smaller twig is then woven tightly into these main branches to create a loose basket shell, and then a cover is applied, which can be from a wide variety of materials according to local availability. The huts are not really waterproof, and in the rain season, the group move to the high mountains where they can occupy a system of the cave. Let's move up in the mountain and see some of these caves. In this rock, there is one cave. The cave have been here for many years. Their forefathers used to shelter in this cave during rainy seasons. Also, the Hadzabe hunters, once they get their catch, they come here sometimes to cook their meat and eat before they take the rest home. On this rock, you can see the drawings. Their forefathers made this drawing for memories. And these people are happy when they see them in remembrance of their ancestors. The drawings are for different types of animals. We have dik, we have antelopes, we have wild pig. Different animals are drawn here. Here is where they sleep when it's raining, or this is the place where they shelter from the rain. Hadzabe people live in camps. Some will come here, and if the camp has many people, some will hide inside a baobab. So each man will sleep with his wife and children. Here they are demonstrating how they sleep. They are telling me no matter how heavy the rain is, it will not come to them. And when they wake up in the morning, that's when they will realize that the rain was too heavy.
Kila mtu na mke wake na family, kila mtu wale mingi sana hapa. Sawa. Akala hapo pia baba. Hata ya tu ame wa hebe kubena kubela kena hii. Taka me atela ola kwe.
Ina mana kokwa. Inama na kokwa. Mati kolashino. Amana tsokwando totoko yene tsoko amana so amimi nga. Na abetena akata besa abetena ra. Amana ati se kwa kade. Kwa kade.
Ati.
And there you have it, my friends. That's how Hadzabe shelter from the rain during rainy season. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and give this video a like. See you in the next, and stay safe.
Sawa eta ke ko ta ko 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 ko